Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are doing something absolutely insane. What you are looking at right now is not a bus, it is not a concept, it is not a render. This is the 2026 Prevost double-decker luxury motorcoach, and it might just be the most outrageous road vehicle money can buy in 2026. Let's break it all down: exterior, interior, performance, and price, because trust me, every single detail of this machine deserves its own conversation. Starting from the outside, the 2026 Prevost is a statement on wheels, literally and figuratively. That deep, candy apple crimson paint is not just a color, it is a personality. The whole body is draped in this stunning burgundy red metallic finish with razor-sharp gold pinstriping running horizontally across both decks, giving it that old-school luxury feel wrapped inside a very futuristic silhouette. The bodywork itself is aggressively sculpted. You have these dramatic angular body cuts on the lower panels that pull the light in dramatic ways, and that glossy black cladding on the upper deck creates a two-tone visual contrast that is genuinely unforgettable. Right at the front, there is a wide panoramic blackout windshield that sweeps aggressively into the roofline, flanked by integrated LED accent strips that trace the full edge of the cab. Those strips glow gold in low light, and they are absolutely show-stopping. The Prevost branding is displayed boldly in illuminated gold lettering across the upper deck fascia and again mid-body, so there is absolutely zero confusion about what you are dealing with. Chrome multi-spoke wheels, massive, polished, and aggressive, sit tucked beneath widened arches on a tandem rear axle setup, giving it that planted, purposeful stance even when it is just sitting still in a showroom. Which, by the way, is exactly where this one was photographed. This coach commands the room. Moving inside, and this is where the 2026 Prevost separates itself from literally everything else on the road. The interior is configured completely to order, but the reference builds coming out for 2026 are nothing short of a flying private club on wheels. The lower deck houses an executive lounge with full-grain leather seating, customizable ambient lighting rigs, and a full wet bar setup. Yes, a wet bar, complete with refrigeration and climate-controlled wine storage. There are large flat-screen panels on both sides, a private conference area for up to 6 people, and a kind of acoustic insulation that makes it feel like you are sitting in a recording studio. The upper deck is typically configured as a master bedroom suite with a king-sized bed, ensuite bathroom with shower, vanity area, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows that let you watch the world go by in absolute silence. Flooring across both levels is hand-laid hardwood with custom area rugs, and the cabinetry uses real walnut and satin brass hardware. Every surface, every edge, every detail has been obsessed over. If you have ever been on a superyacht and thought, I wish I could have this on land, here is your answer. On the performance side, the 2026 Prevost is built on a purpose-engineered chassis with a Volvo-derived powertrain. Under the hood, you are looking at a 12.8-liter inline 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing around 600 horsepower and an enormous 2,100 Nm of torque. That is connected to a 12-speed ZF automatic transmission with electronic management, and the result is a machine that weighs over 20 tons fully loaded yet accelerates with a surprising amount of authority. Top speed is governed at around 160 km per hour, but cruising at highway speeds is effortless and eerily quiet thanks to the air suspension system that automatically adjusts damping based on load and road surface. That same air suspension drops the entire vehicle height for loading and boarding, which is a nice touch for accessibility. Braking is handled by a full air disc system with integrated retarder, and the driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring across multiple cameras, and a 360-degree surround view system displayed on a commercial-grade monitor array in the cockpit. Now, the price. And this is where we go to a different planet entirely. The base configuration of a 2026 Prevost H3-45 shell before any conversion starts at approximately $600,000. But the fully converted, ultra-luxury double-decker builds you are seeing like this one, those start at around $2.5 million and can comfortably climb past $4 or even $5 million depending on specification. These vehicles are commissioned by A-list musicians on world tours, by sports franchises, by heads of state, and by ultra-high net worth individuals who want a mobile estate. And honestly, looking at this thing, it is hard to argue with the price tag. You are getting a home, an office, a luxury hotel, and a statement piece all in one vehicle that can drive itself to the next city while you sleep in a king-sized bed upstairs. The 2026 Prevost is not a car. It is not a bus. It is not an RV. It is a category of one, and it is absolutely magnificent. Drop a comment below letting us know what you think about this beast, smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to MH Car Review for more reviews like this every single week. We will see you in the next one.